спешиваюсь. Кроме
Я без
поляков.
уважения, его тут нет. В моей стороне. Ехали, их 11%.
И чё это, блядь, такое?
Это хайт, помойка.
Блять. Йо, spread, full check.
Full focus.
Full check. Кэр.
Голем, если чё, голем.
Он не в хорошем гире. Кэр.
Да только до одного увидел, если чё. 8-3-1. Перчи, призма.
Be careful, they looking now.
Есть
Кэр.
Это колер, если что, скорее всего.
They gonna play for the hodge probably. Be careful.
Мне курткой прожали и отменили, я не знаю.
Hold. Do not step in. They can play over the wall, be careful. KW on the guards only. KW. Do not step in. They looking on the tanks. My tanks, be careful. They looking. Dev. Come north. Yo, GA the tanks. GA them. GA. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch the Yo, please. Oh, give me fucking GA, baby. Spread on the east. They have fast cooldowns.
Да.
Spread more on the east. They looking now. They already have cooldown. Get ready. That's good.
Фейк.
Тянул.
Care now. They're gonna engage right now. Yo, defense on the gate. Full defense. Good job. All hammers right now. Oh, GA them. All hammers and GA them over the wall. GA them. Yo, come was. Night helmets, catch the front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch the front. Catch. Okay. Spread on the east wall. Care, they're gonna engage over the wall northwest. Over the wall northwest. Spread more southeast. Defensive on the front. Nice. Step in now. Step in. Hammer the door right now. KW on the tanks. Make CC on them. Okay, come back east a bit. We need to stabilize right now. Come back. Hold on. Wait for defensive. Алло, ты мы девочки, блядь, или кто там? Кто еще? Нету, блядь.
Я только еду.
Такого нету.
А чё, один...
Yo, please, listen. Yo, get ready. Hold. Fake. Astra. I need GA when I call, okay? Get ready, support my tanks.
Okay.
Like, we're gonna use GA for catch him. Hold now.
Лем смотрит это колер.
They're looking now. It's fake. KW. Bob him. Try to bob. They're gonna engage over the wall west. They're gonna engage northwest over the wall. Get ready. Hold the defense. Walk in. Heal. GA the tanks. 5, 4, 3. Wait. 2, 1. Hit the tanks now. Wide them. Good job. Beautiful. Yo, heal up. Hammer the door. They're gonna engage soon. Get ready.
Одного потеряли.
Yeah, there was one guy. Care. Defense west. Yo, guys, please. Hey. They play over the wall. Stop do the shit. Kill DPS. Focus the guy. Come west now. Catch the front. We're gonna catch the front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South from the choke. And walk in and spread. Defense, my healers. Step in, healers. Step in and spread south. Focus the guards right now. Spread south.
We kidnap heavy mace.
Yeah. Okay. Heals. Get ready on the choke. Yo, wait. Dev. Chill. Shallow. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Come back. We miss it. Come back.
Каменка за...
Come back. Focus the guards right now. They're gonna engage northeast side. They're looking northeast side. Okay, stabilize now. My tanks, be careful. Fake. Bob this tank. Bob him. Kill him. Good job, beautiful. Yo, keep kill. Death over the wall. Door.
I jade him east.
Okay, come northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Come back south. Yo, my healers and support splits. Watch out on the front lane.
Bomb.
Carry east. Help my east. Start walking east. Come east. Come east and spread, come east and spread, come east and spread, come east and spread, spread now. Spread now, D-tanks walk in. D-tanks walk in. Only D-tanks and battle mounts walk in. Spread more, baby, spread more. You took Lampet. Start walking, keep walking, get ready for pop the potion. Walk in and spread west. Yo, def, walk in, defensive, walk in west, give me fake now, walk west and fake, just brawl, KW, look at me now, 5, 4, north, 3, 2, 1, north now, beautiful, and look east, brawl them east, defensive east, heal up east, and keep brawl them, keep brawl, click east, D-tanks chase them, click east, keep chase.
Mount
5
it,
seconds,
mount it.
on the small door, spin, tight helmets, on the small door, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the small door, keep cash. Please guys, you need to fucking watch out on the healers, like if you're gonna stay on the back line, you're never gonna reach for heal like front lane. Like my tanks survive on like 10 HP, but like they not get a heal. So you should stay fucking closer to them. Also my supports is same for you.
Заебашь его. Порезал.
Keep chase, flip the castle. I need one looter, who die, loot the castle and step up, please.
Не открыть?
Да,
Да, лучше ты открой. Мой лутер польский, блядь, ливнул за 20 минут.